If you start to notice your fill cap is leaking a small amount of air, or it has become hard to put on and/or take off, your fill cap gasket could be needing a cleaning. This gasket helps create an airtight seal to hold in all that pressurized water and media during blasting. Eventually, this gasket could potentially build up tiny bits of debris, causing a less than perfect seal. So if you notice any obstructions or debris on the gasket itself, just take a damp rag and wipe down the outside of the gasket. And then with compressed air, blow off the external surface, as well as internal cavity through the small air hole. This will thoroughly clean out any remaining media or debris. Furthermore, wash off the pot's fill rim, and if need be, use an abrasive pad to smooth the surface. Keeping both of these surfaces clean ensures a good seal, prevents air from leaking out, and ends difficult cap removal. However, if the gasket looks a little worse for wear, you can always find replacement parts in our store at store.dustlessblasting.com. Occasional maintenance checks can go a long way to making sure your blast pot lasts a lifetime.